I was sent these shorts to review as a gift by this brand right here, NORTHYARD. And I've had these shorts for about 2 weeks now. I just wanted to try them out. And I'm going to be honest, guys, these shorts are pretty nice. And as you can see here, it has like a design right here. It has a little design right here as well. I chose this color. There's different colors, but I chose this like neon color. I just like how the color looked on me. And then here's a logo for that. But overall, these shorts are, I give it a 10 out of 10, man. I'm gonna be honest. As you can see here, it has a zipper here, and this is probably the best feature about these shorts is that you can put your stuff in here and zip it up, and look, nothing comes out, nothing goes in, nothing comes out. So you can use these, especially if you're gonna be working out, like doing cardio or something. These are definitely some good shorts because you can put your zipper and nothing's gonna fall out. You don't have to worry about when you're doing sit-ups or if you're running, like things falling out. And you can see this one's open, but again, you can zip it up and close that. And I think there's one more zipper in the back right here. You can see that. There's one more right here. There you go. But again, I like how they feel as well. They feel like workout material, um, like silky, but they feel really comfortable. And I would definitely purchase these again. Once these are worn out or ripped or whatever it is, I'm definitely going to be buying some more. But yeah, they're pretty good. Not gonna lie. I'm a pretty big guy, so I got a bigger size, but I mean, it fits good. I really love it.